Prepare to embark on a captivating journey into the microscopic world of Maltesers chocolate. What may seem like simple spheres of delight on the surface, hold within them a universe of intricacies waiting to be unveiled. With the aid of a microscope, we'll magnify these humble treats, revealing the extraordinary craftsmanship and attention to detail that makes Maltesers a beloved indulgence. Zooming in, we're transported into a realm where every detail is magnified, every texture amplified. The crispy malt center, nestled within its chocolatey cocoon, beckons with its promise of sweetness and crunch. It's a delicate dance of flavors and sensations, expertly balanced to create the perfect bite. As our journey progresses, we're mesmerized by the intricate patterns and structures that adorn each Malteser. Tiny bubbles and swirls come alive under the microscope, adding depth and dimension to the visual feast before us. It's a testament to the artistry and precision that goes into every aspect of Maltesers chocolate production. But our exploration isn't just about what meets the eye. It's about uncovering the stories and craftsmanship behind each delectable morsel.